Why abroad जाना है? इतने सारे लोगों को एक साल abroad में हो जाता है and they don't really know the motivation. Why did I choose to go abroad? Is it because on Instagram you saw बढ़िया lifestyle है and then वहाँ पे आप dishes wash कर रहे हैं? If you are planning to study abroad for the reason that I will get 40 lakh out of it, impression that ये 99% true है, ये सुन के और next year और बच्चे जाते हैं और disappoint होते हैं.
If you are educator, you are not supposed to make money.
ऐसा नहीं है.
ये इंडिया में तो सारी करियर कोच है ना.
Honestly, what works in our career coaching as well, Saurabh, is no BS, no bullshitting. हम गारंटी नहीं देते हैं जॉब को.
You are running a company and you are also creating content.
Correct.
How easy or difficult is to do the both?
Someone is not leveraging social media, they are doing massive disservice for themselves.
वहाँ से business नहीं आता, वहाँ से traffic नहीं आता, आता है तो conversions नहीं है, right? So what is the playbook to become an influencer?
So the intent of coming into this space should be, I want to educate world about X.
Hey everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. Yet another episode at the Living Pod by Saurabh. Thank you so much for all your love, for all your critiques and your comments. Today's podcast and today's guest, I'm meeting for the first time in person. So let's try to know her more. I've been told by my team that she is an influencer. So let me, learn from the influencer how to influence people, and let's learn it together. Mayuri, how are you doing?
All good, Saurabh. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for your commitment, right? And for traveling all the way. Please introduce yourself.
Sure. So we got in touch, I think, a couple of months back, Saurabh, because one of our mutual friends really pushed me, Saurabh shares your value. You are a budding entrepreneur. He's doing some amazing stuff as well. So that's how we got connected.
And this friend was?
From Sialpo.
From
Swati. From
Swati.
Sialpo.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So we don't shy to take names.
All right, okay.
Good, bad, ugly. It has to be real. So yeah, Swati is a great chap, and Sialpo is doing great.
Absolutely.
So yeah, okay.
So my journey started as an engineer, like a lot of Indian kids. पहले engineering कर लो, then figure out करो करना क्या है. I did it from IIT Roorkee, and that's when I figured out, you know what? Engineering is not my cup of coffee. So I took a year gap to actually understand what do I really want to do. And fast forward to 1 year, I came to know something about career coaching. Now the initial thought was, okay, if I become my own career coach, I will sort my own career. That was the initial thought process. So I looked into universities in Europe, and I found 2 universities who had masters in career guidance, which you would agree it's quite niche. You don't come across any Indian who would say, मुझे career coach बनना है.
ये इंडिया में तो सारी career coach है ना.
हाँ, सब self acclaimed.
माँ बाप को भी आता है, बड़े भाई को तो सब कुछ आता है. And now there are so many education partners. I call them partners who are working with many. I would say 90% of people are really good. But there are always those 10-20% which are really interesting people, with make you think, why don't we do that? Of course, but back to your story. Yeah, okay. So Europe University, you did
in the UK.
Okay.
Masters in career guidance, and that was one amazing of an experience, Saurabh, because for me, complete shift from 180-degree engineering to something very artsy and career coaching, and that too in a white country where career coaching is like, you don't see Asians in the fraternity, honestly. So 1 year I hustled.
Which university was this?
It was Coventry.
Okay. And which year?
This was 2019. And then I worked for a couple of brands there, and ultimately I got the opportunity to be a career coach in Coventry University Careers.
Okay.
That's when I got to understand both the sides of the table as a student, as an international in the UK, as well as a career coach who brings about international employability aspect in the team, because none other than me had this international nuance to the career coaching side. And then my priorities were clear. I wanted to come back to India. So that's when Coventry retained me in there as a university rep.
Oh.
So I worked with Coventry, Birmingham, Surrey till the last tenure.
As a
university rep.
But managing 3 universities?
No. This was 1 year after the other.
Okay.
Not together.
So you were like working with a market entry, or it was like direct payrolls? I have, or probably I would like to know more, because lots of my audience is either university reps or the students or parents or education partners, right? So this is the audience, right? And the idea of this podcast or this series is how we decipher this industry so that people know the information and they can able to take informed decisions, right?
Got it,
There should be
got it.
learning. So like career coaching, Coventry retained you as in their career coaching services?
No, as a university rep, so I used to go about in fairs, marketing
Yeah.
about Coventry, and because I was
So you're working with Tarang?
correct.
Coventry, then Birmingham.
Birmingham was a very short amount of period, and then I shifted to Surrey.
Okay, so Birmingham with Garima.
Correct.
But how come I have not known about you? Because I'm not saying that I know it all. You know, we know, but like Tarang is a good friend, Garim is a very good friend. You know, Surrey is
Sharad.
Surrey. I'm not like probably Shraddha knows better. Okay, okay.
So I wouldn't say I have this experience a lot. 3 years, 2.5, 3 years.
And why like 3 companies or 3 universities within 3 years?
To be very honest, I saw all of these roles as the stepping stone to something bigger that I wanted to do and create. And these 3 years of experiences with 3 different types of UK universities gave me a really good nuances to, you know, how the university functions, gauging the motivations of students, university partners, and then that is exactly what I use in my company right now.
Okay, great. Then so till 19 till 2020 you were representing universities.
Yes.
Right, and that was COVID time.
Till 23.
23.
Yeah.
Okay.
December 2023, I put my papers at Surrey and I had like a lovely team. They knew what I'm doing on the sites. I had content already going up. And then January, I decided to take a leap, started my own company, which is Get Sponsored Job, partnered with my co-founder, who happens to be based in London. So Meet Sabia, she is a popular career coach there, and then she runs multiple businesses herself. So what happened, sort of a very interesting story. So I used to go to UK university for delegate visits, like be it Coventry,
Yeah.
be it Surrey. So when I used to be there, मैं थोड़ा meaningful content बना लेती थी. Are you a student looking to study in the UK? XYZ. तो वो genre का बनाती थी. And in my 3 visits, I garnered around 25,000 followers on Instagram.
Very nice.
And time and again, one DM started coming all over again. Mayuri, you cracked a job in the UK. You chose to come back to India. How is it like? Can you teach us how to crack a job? Okay, this is coming quite repetitive. What I did was I ran an experiment. I put up a story on Instagram and a reel that, hey, I am conducting this free webinar and where I will share tips on how I got 7 jobs in the UK as an international, so on and so forth. Can you believe in 48 hours, I got 2,000 plus registrations.
Very wow.
So that was my first initial MVP of to see that is this going to work or not. And this is still while I'm working with university. The second experiment that I ran was, okay, free mein to sab aa jate hain. Is there really value where people would pay to hear from me? So I ran another reel and I announced, okay, I am conducting a webinar and I priced arbitrarily, randomly 2,000 rupees ka cap kar diya us webinar ko. In one day, I earned my monthly salary as university rep. That's where I saw a huge potential. So I'm very well versed with the career coaching fraternity in the UK because when I was a student, I networked quite well, built connections. And then boom, I had this partner, we had this idea. It's been last Jan that we started. And in just 1 year, we have coached 9,000 plus folks internationals and have built a community of more than 150K plus folks.
I mean, that's inspiring for me as well. You know, like because I'm not a content creator. You know, whatever numbers we've been talking about, it's all about a team. You know, it's all about like the silver button. You know, that 150K, 100K. You know, that millions of impressions. You know, it's all because of my team. You know, so now I'm trying to build my own brand or personal brand. But again, I'm very clear. I'm doing it for UL. I'm not doing it for myself.
Yes.
You know, because I firmly believe that every entrepreneur should have their personal brand. But at the same time, see, now you're running a company and you're also creating content.
Correct.
How easy or difficult is to do the both? Because most of the people in the industry, they believe, or at least they feel that content creation is very frivolous. People who are established, we should not create content. Our team should be कुछ तो कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो हसल है, कुछ तो साइड में हमारी टीम सोशल मीडिया करते रहती है, राइट? पर वहाँ से बिजनेस नहीं आता, वहाँ से ट्रैफिक नहीं आता है तो कन्वर्जेंस नहीं है, राइट? आई मीन इवन इफ यू आस्क मी, देयर इज वन साइड ऑफ माय ब्रेन व्हिच सेज हाँ यार ये कंटेंट बनाते तो रहते हैं, राइट? ट्रैफिक तो आ रहा है, वायरल भी हो रहा है, पर वहाँ से बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा,
Tangible business नहीं आ
right?
रहा है.
Other side of my brain which probably you align with, you know, wherein nahi yaar, you know, it takes time. You need to be consistent.
Yeah.
You need to create good content, valuable content, and over a period of time, definitely that all you know, that become cumulative, and it's worth your time and efforts.
Yeah.
So because you started with content and now you are running a company,
Business, yeah.
what's your view on this?
I feel in today's era, sort of, if someone is not leveraging social media, they're doing massive disservice for themselves. Either it could be a personal brand, or there could be a brand like yourself. You've already expanded, and I genuinely feel if you want to 5x it, 10x it, social media is the key. Because currently, as I'm speaking right now, 95% of the funnel and the business that comes at Get Sponsored is through social media. So for me, I have seen a massive social media contribution.
Traffic आता है, business आता है. These are two different things.
Business.
Give me your extracts, whatever you can share, like what traffic you get, how much of that get into paid students who were seeking your career counseling.
So basically, what we help is how to get a job in the UK. It
Yeah.
could be part-time and it could be full-time. So what we do is, we have a very simple process. Every Sunday, we run something called Taster. Taster is almost like a sneak peek of our actual programs, the coaching program. जैसे अगर आप वाइनयार्ड जा रहे हैं, आप टेस्ट करते हैं, पसंद आए तो पूरी बॉटल खरीदते हैं. So something very similar concept. We run tasters every Sunday. A lot of students, anywhere between 200 to 350 students every week आते हैं, and this is a paid webinar. Again, we don't do it for free because I genuinely believe once you do anything for free, the value diminishes.
But this is free, right?
This
India and internationally, in fact, unfortunately or fortunately, if you're an educator, you are not supposed to make money.
I want to actually break that stigma because
Yeah.
I always, once I pivoted into career coaching, when I actually dialed down, what inspired me to become one is not just money aspect. Of course, there's an element to it, but also creating an impact. But you can create impact in social space as well. But that was not very encouraging to me because at the end of the day, I had a knack for entrepreneurship. Though I'm a first-gen entrepreneur, but I knew I had a knack for it. So building a business, a tangible business, was always in the horizon as well. So I almost wanted to, in the Venn diagram, it should be creating value, impact, but at the same time, I have some goals, monetary goals, not just for myself, but for my team as well, and for what I am aspiring to be. So I think money, I feel it's a major
Yeah.
motivator. For some people, it might be. It is for
If
me.
I tell you one thing, you know, I share it on an anecdote. You know, so on my first year of my MBA, you know, my dean or my professor at that point in time, Mr. Batra, he asked, "Saurabh, what is your goal?" I'm like, to make money.
Money.
And I know that lots of people, you know, they were like, how
How shallow of you.
not about shallow and all. They're like, Mr. Batra was very impressed that okay, there's someone who's very clear, you know. And but most of my classmates, they were like, ये तो पैसों की बात कर रहा है,
हाँ.
right? But which is still okay because you're doing MBA to get jobs, right? But when you're an educator, you know, and even I will put you on a spot, right? You mentioned that I quit a job when you got earn enough money, you know. So it was more money or it was more impact? Because you quit your job when you got enough money. Otherwise, you were continuing doing what you were doing.
But I had got really good placements from IIT, and still I said no to that to pursue a
Which
master.
year was this?
This was 2018.
And which course was this?
This was MTech in electrical engineering from IIT Roorkee.
So you were forceful engineer. but you can't be forced to crack IIT.
Not
So-
really. I think I was a really good engineer in my defense, but it's just that when I asked myself, could I become one of the best engineers, the answer was no. And looking at my personality and traits, I was more of an outreach person where I could go about, use my communication skills. Whereas Germany experience, so from IIT Roorkee, I was sent to Germany for a 1-year project. And I think that was the pivotal point where I thought, you know, there's something better out for me and I could be doing way better. So that time sort of money was nowhere in the horizon क्योंकि career coach का जब मैं stats देख रही हूँ, average salary देख रही हूँ, that is, sorry for my word, but
Yeah.
hideous as compared to what an IIT graduate would get.
Yeah.
So that was a major confusion. Should I follow passion or should I be more mindful about what that money and revenue generation could look like. I have no idea where that confidence came from. I knew I'm a confident person, but I thought, let's take a leap. अगर कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम मैं सॉल्व करूँ जो मार्केट में बहुत लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक as soon as you start creating value, money comes behind you, and that was clear. And that's what I started seeing. Once I started Get Sponsored Job, I can see tangible results every single day. Just coming in the car, someone from our community reached out. Hey, Mayuri, I got a £50,000 sponsorship job in London. So that element of excitement that me and my team changed her life forever. But at the same time, we know that there was an exchange of services. They had paid me, and we gave value.
So tell me how you do this, because this is looking so good to be true. I'm very real, so, firstly, I'm not paid. Secondly, I'm like this, if I don't believe in, I question.
Honestly, what works in our career coaching as well, Saurabh, is no BS, no bullshitting. हम गारंटी नहीं देते हैं जॉब को बिकॉज वील टीच यू द स्ट्रैटेजी बट फाइनल इंटरव्यू में तो आप मुंह खोल रहे हैं. वी कैन टीच you can learn from us, but it's at the end of the day your efforts.
But then again, firstly, career coach in India or in international education is like career counselor, right? And they will pitch only 2-3 universities, then now you're into jobs, wherein, in fact, I was doing a podcast with like couple of UK universities, and my question was that आप guarantee तो कर नहीं रहे placement.
Correct.
You're not guaranteed. At least in India, if you're doing MBA, even ISB, IITs or IIMs, they say that you will get this kind of job, or this will be a range. The outreach is always, आप 15 लाख लगाओगे, आपको 40 लाख की job मिलेगी. Right? When you go abroad, UK, US, no university is guaranteed placement.
Correct.
Firstly, why should then go? Secondly, when you're not guaranteeing from your moral responsibility of making a student successful outcome driven activity,
Correct.
no one is taking your ROI part of it.
Correct.
Right? How are you not granting but preparing people for a job, and why they need to get a paid assistance for that?
Right. So I love this point because let me wear the hat of now a student rather than a career coach. And speaking from my own experience of being an international student in the UK, I have paid for the university tuition fee.
Right.
And ideally, in my head, that should cover my skill building, that should cover my expertise, knowledge, that should also cover career coaching. And while I got help from the careers team, realistically, what I saw in my co-founder and now our team is saying, the best of universities, Oxford, Cambridge, they have careers team. But in my experience, there's still a gap of understanding the international nuances to it.
Go deeper.
These career coaches know how to crack a job in the UK as a Brit. But when you are an international, things change because we are coming up with our own barriers. We are coming up with certain aspects, what works in India. They don't know what works in UK. And I think this element is where we saw we can fit into. So what is our USP at Get Sponsored, Saurabh?
You are saying Oxford and the best university have their career services, right? And we all know that international students end up paying 3, 4, 5x of domestic students.
Correct.
Why logically, and these are best universities, best of minds, why logically they will not put focus on international students?
That's my question.
And make them success? Because the more students go abroad, they get a job, the more referrals business they will get.
Correct.
That will also save their marketing budgets,
Correct.
Paying education partners or so many other people, right? Why they are not getting it, or probably they are doing great, but people like us is trying to create a business out of it.
I think I will share my 2 cents on this. It's a two-way street. So if Indian students are going there, they need to know that this service exists and they need to get the best out of it. And I see their gap as well. Genuinely, students, हमारा ऐसे cultural conditioning हुई है कि मुझे placement table पे ला के दो, मैं नहीं जाऊँगा, मैंने इतने पैसे दे दिए हैं already. So there's this gap. And we try
खाना भी लगाओ और हाथ से खिलाओ भी.
खुद खाना है.
Yeah.
So there's
you need
an
to be spoon fed.
Correct. तो spoon fed culture थोड़ा सा है. That comes under students' lack of awareness and exposure. The second aspect to it is, I think once the student pays or through an agent they get their commission and they are out and there, then I think there's no in my experience, I don't know, there could be somebody who gives the report of what are the international graduate outcomes. I have been a university rep and I've heard this time and again from every rep that we have 98% success, 98% placement ratio, 99. No, I'm seeing 10,000 people coming to me saying ऐसा नहीं है, हम में से हमारे पूरे क्लास में से एक को मिली है जॉब. सो वेयर इज दिस डेटा कमिंग फ्रॉम? एंड इफ समवन in UK or USA can really get down to the figures of what is the international outcome. I think जब तक हम वो ट्रैक नहीं करेंगे तब तक यूनिवर्सिटीज would be under this impression that ये 99% true है. ये सुन के और नेक्स्ट ईयर और बच्चे जाते हैं और डिसअपॉइंट होते हैं.
No, but they can't claim 99%. I mean, they have rankings and all, you know, and THEs, QS have their ranking, right?
But that is, correct me if I'm wrong, that ranking includes their locals as well. It's not exclusive to internationals.
I mean, see, I'm not a ranking expert, right? Even I'm not an educator. You know, the answer should come from you. I'm only asking question as on behalf of my audience, which is students, parents, you know, or lots of education partners. But the fact is, no universities which are so high ranked, you know, and there's a mechanism for QS and TH, you know, times higher education, you know, and in my limited understanding, there is a ranking attached to employability.
Correct.
Now you're saying that employability might be local, domestic student or international students.
Yeah.
That I don't know. You can go deeper in it and probably enlighten us as well. But still, you know, they can't claim that, you know, they have a high, and lots of international universities brochure I've gone through, and they mention international students placement 95, 85, 90%. So are you saying that those are false claims, or what I'm not getting?
I think there's always a asterisk there. So international outcomes, in my understanding, doesn't only mean they getting a job, but they following up to the next degree or getting education. So I've seen UG का अगर UG के लिए जा रहे हैं, and if someone is doing a masters after that, और अगर masters, if someone is doing a PhD after that, वो भी placement में include होता है.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not just job.
I mean, this is something which I'm learning, you know, so sorry if I've been sounding...
But every uni can have a different stats around it. This is my experience,
Mostly.
and I agree that I do have a limited experience. But this is what my community says, and we cater to our community. वो बोलते हैं हम वैसा product बनाते हैं. वो बोलते हैं हमें आके हमें ये support मिला नहीं है, हमें ये support चाहिए. So all the courses are aligned to that.
Tell me more about your community, your expansion, you know, you've been like, you know, whatever you're claiming, you know, I mean, I'm claiming but I'm not gone through it. But tell me more about Get Sponsored. You know, we got to know you're from IIT. Where are you from?
I am from Nasik.
You're from Nasik, right? And you did your undergrad from Nasik. Your schooling
From VJTI Mumbai.
Mumbai. Very nice. And then you did IIT Roorkee.
Yeah.
And must say that, you know, you're pretty courageous. You know, moving from IIT Roorkee, go and, you know, we all know that Coventry is not very high ranked. You know, though I believe that university like Coventry is not high ranked, but still, so many Indian students, international students study in Coventry. Coventry got a vibe. Coventry, I have so many of my friends from Coventry University. I have so many of my startup I know in UK, which have been started in Coventry University because there's a vibe, there's a student culture, there is a, you know, lots of Indian and international students choose Coventry.
Honestly, for me, Saurabh, it wasn't that Coventry is where I wanted to go. I researched massively about this course, and you would agree this is such a niche course that most universities wouldn't even have that. Let alone India में लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा कि masters ऐसा भी कुछ होता है.
I'm questioning your choice because from IIT Roorkee going to Coventry, if you are an IT product, right? And we all know IIT, IIMs is more of a club, right? It's just not about the degree and a graduation and a course. It's the club. And I'm sure I'm not the first one who's judging you or probably questioning you.
Yes.
That IIT is Coventry. कुछ तो gap है, कुछ तो काल में काला है जो, you know, you want to justify.
Oh yeah, because I've been doing this all my life after I made the decision.
It's very, very courageous.
So one thing that I teach my community is सिर्फ ब्रांड के नाम पे मत जाओ क्योंकि ऑक्सफोर्ड मिल गया है चलो चलते हैं. यू रियली गेज योर एस्पिरेशंस. उस डिग्री से आपको करना क्या है. डोंट जस्ट डू इट फॉर द सोसाइटी बिकॉज सोसाइटी थिंक्स ये बहुत सही नेक्स्ट स्टेप है. आइडियली आई यूज्ड टू गेट जज्ड IIT के बाद तो आपको PhD करनी चाहिए. मैं जर्मनी में बहुत अच्छा कर रही थी, जर्मनी में भी जॉब मिल रही थी. सो वाई Coventry and let alone outsider.
And what was the second option? Where you have career counseling degree apart from Coventry?
I think Derby. डर्बी से भी ऑफर आया था, बट मुझे कॉवेंट्री से स्कॉलरशिप मिली थी एंड टाटा से भी स्कॉलरशिप मिली थी. So I did it under
So
scholarship.
you're a merit student.
Yeah, I would take pride in that I've been a
again,
merit.
I will not shy away to say that मैं कहीं ना कहीं जस्ट तो करूँ, मैं यार नहीं यार, IIT करने के बाद कोवेंट्री में जा रहा है, कुछ तो है, but now I'm getting it, sponsorship, merit, and probably your passion for career counseling is real.
Yes.
And go ahead, please go ahead.
I mean, ranking wise, it doesn't add up. The stature wise, it doesn't add up. But I knew that this is something that I wanted to do. Firstly, I started from India, Saurabh. तो मैंने देखा कोई इंडिया में ये पढ़ा रहा है क्या? All I found was B.Ed and M.Ed degrees, and not to undermine those degrees, but I saw a mismatch there as to what I bring to the table in terms of my experiences and skills. और ये course मुझे इतने challenging लगे नहीं. तो I started thinking, okay, चलो फिर abroad देख लेते हैं. तो 2-3 कंट्रीज मिले. अब मुझे यूएस नहीं जाना था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं जाना था. सो आई डिड अ मैसिव 3-month प्लान रिसर्च कि यहाँ नहीं जाना है.
क्यों नहीं जाना था?
डिस्टेंस. एंड इट माइट साउंड वेरी.
यूके क्यों जाना था?
यूके बिकॉज इट वाज अ 1 year एंड रिमेंबर आई हैड ऑलरेडी डन 1 मास्टर्स. सो वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट अ रियली बिग रिस्क हियर. तो मुझे रिस्क को भी थोड़ा सा कैप करना था. 2 years ना करके 1 year.
Maybe I'm trying to understand you because see what you did is very untraditional.
Very
it's unconventional, right?
yeah.
I'm still trying to get convinced, for myself because US you didn't go दूर है, Australia दूर है, UK पास है, and the fact that UK 1 साल का है. I agree to that. At
And I
least I'm
got the
convinced to
Tata
that.
scholarships for UK as well.
Also there was some deep love for UK.
Not really.
No, I'm just trying to understand from a student point of view because close by and it's 1 year. There are lots of Indians there. Is it because of that UK got an edge over US and Australia?
Not really. See, there was a reason that even after getting some pretty good offers in the UK, I chose to come back to India. Another unconventional decision. So I knew the priorities were quite clear that I wanted to come to India and run an abroad start. क्या?
कहाँ से जॉब मिली थी?
कहाँ? HE से. HE, हायर एजुकेशन में ही करियर कोचिंग में.
Okay, very interesting.
And then I had also joined a startup. तभी it was led by a Brit only, but then he had strong connection to Indians and he was trying to build an employability program. So I had joined him. So there were multiple things that were going around for
So
me.
it seems either you were very planned or now you are stitching it up.
Stitching it up,
You were
connecting
stitching
the
up.
dots. Yeah, because one thing that was planned was I was taking the leap of faith and I had full trust in myself. कुछ भी बिगड़ा, I'll face the repercussion.
Is it coming because you have cracked IIT? तो एक वो insurance होता है, assurance होता है ना कि IIT किया हुआ है तो कुछ तो कर लेंगे.
नहीं, honestly,
no, it's not
उसमें
coming
नहीं
from
था.
that comfort.
I think just the attitude of if I step into something, I have a reassurance that I'll make the best out of it and I have I don't regret in life, like in any decision. IIT बहुत सारे आप नहीं बोला ना जजमेंट्स आए. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं फिर यार इतना पढ़ाई की सब गया, इतना मेहनत किया सब गया. से नो, IIT नहीं होता तो वो जर्मनी नहीं भेजते, जर्मनी नहीं होता तो मैं स्कॉलरशिप पे 16 यूरोपियन कंट्रीज नहीं घूमती. इतना नेटवर्क, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, एक्सपोजर जो भी है आ रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज अ कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट विच आई एम लेवरेजिंग टुडे इन बिल्डिंग माई एम्पायर.
Totally with you. I mean, totally with you. See, I am a very late boomer. I was not as smart as you. I wasn't as, as courageous like you. For me, it happened. One thing I know, I'm a very hardworking guy. If you put 18 hours, I put 22 hours. Where I'm coming from, and today's generation, confidence, I would say, where this assurance coming, and this is very refreshing. You're not coming from like top cities. I would like to know more about your family, right?
Yeah.
But it seems that I can relate a bit that tier 2 city, पहले तो नासिक से बॉम्बे जाना.
Though I was in
Yeah.
Mumbai my entire
Achha.
yeah. So
Tell me more about your background, your childhood, your family.
So there's a place called Tarapur actually. I'm from there. Tarapur is the first nuclear power plant.
Yeah, I know Tarapur.
So my dad is, and now he's retired, but in NPCL. So my native is a village which is so small it comes in tier 5.
ये सच्ची स्टोरी है कि ये बिकते स्टोरी इसलिए बता रहे हो?
पता नहीं यार, मैं तो पहली बार कर रही हूँ और मैं धुले से
स्टोरी सच्ची है कि जैसे
मैं पासपोर्ट में बर्थ पे धुले और धुले
नहीं, वो तो मेरा भी गाजियाबाद आता है. वो तो आई वुड नॉट बाय फॉर दैट बिकॉज वट एवर द नियरेस्ट सिटी इज ट्राई फॉर मेरठ एंड मेरठ का पासपोर्ट इज गाजियाबाद. सो बाय दैट आई विल से आई एम फ्रॉम गाजियाबाद.
बट देन आई विल स्टिल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट यू हियर कि I do not for a second believe कि मुझे बहुत उस वे में स्ट्रगल्स थे. मुझे मेरे डैड को थे. He really paced up. He comes from an extremely, as I said, tier 5 place. But then because he was ambitious enough, because of him, we rose in the social mobility. Because of him, I got the opportunity. So I can't take credit for that. But yes, जो मुझे यहाँ से हम आए थे और पापा ने यहाँ तक पहुँचाया, my struggles were यहाँ से at least फिर यहाँ तक जाए. तो I am privileged. For no second I would say मुझे बहुत ही struggle करना पड़ा क्योंकि डैड और मॉम ने किए हैं हमारे लिए.
So either you are very smart or you are very genuine. I leave that audience to decide because जैसे आपने वो देखा कि अरे ये tier 2 वाली स्टोरी को तो नहीं मान रहे और they will rip apart. And lots of my media friends, PR friends like अरे नहीं रोने वाली कहानी बिकती है. अब मेरठ से थे, गरीब थे, ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ. मैंने कहा यार मैं नहीं कर सकता ये. मैं गरीब नहीं था.
+1 on that. I was in
Yeah, go ahead.
Like TED Talk, ऐसे इंडिया में भी ऐसे YouTube चैनल्स है जो to from stories बताते हैं and
unfortunately चलती हुई है, सबसे ज्यादा क्लिक्स उसमें आता है when you say
मैं तो ऐसा
मेरे
था
से लड़के ने 300 करोड़ का बिजनेस बनाया तो वहाँ पे क्लिक्स आते हैं unfortunately, but yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So I was not comfortable क्योंकि मुझे honestly मुझे लगता है कि मैं privileged थी. I stopped you when you said you coming from Nashik because I stopped you saying no. You know what? मैं मुंबई में रहती थी. Mumbai is Mumbai. You get opportunities. But मुंबई तक कहाँ तक पहुँचे? वो बैक स्टोरी है. मेरी स्टोरी मुंबई से ही शुरू हो रही है. मेरी स्टोरी धुले से शुरू हो रही है. ठीक है, तारापुर में थे पापा है, बट I'm not the heroine of that story. I'm the heroine of कि IIT के बाद IIT तक मैंने कैसे किया, because my dad always wanted to go to IIT. He couldn't make it. So I said, okay, now I'm going to bring that. Now, even if I'm not continuing that path, I made sure that I made him proud that way.
Very interesting. Very inspiring, interesting, and at the same time
Conflicting.
Conflicting. Yes, I didn't want to say it.
No, that's fine. It's an audience to perceive.
Yeah. तो मुंबई से फिर IIT से फिर Coventry, which is very crazy, and either you planned so well that कि IIT से सब मिशिगन जाते हैं, मैं Coventry जाऊँगी. That's a story, right? But I can see few things, So your love for camera or your love for attention. What is your date of birth?
Date of birth, 16 June. Gemini, that's what you were trying to gauge?
Yes, because see, I'm a Leo.
Okay.
Right? And I know that Leos like limelight. I didn't know that I will like camera so much. Right?
I am not into zodiacs at all. I like creating a brand for myself. If the byproduct is attention, bring it on.
Nicely covered up. But you like attention.
I would question you. What do you mean by attention?
So you are IIT engineer, right? And when you went to Germany, you realized that traveling is amazing. You like travel?
I love it.
You like travel. Even now?
Yes, I keep
because
traveling.
initially एक तो 5 country का travel करते हो, it's you like it, but after a point you like. So for me, my status is I don't love travel, I don't hate either. Because it's part of the business, right? When I'm traveling, I'm liking it, but when I need to think that why I need to travel, I'm like, can't I be at my office in this virtually connected world? Why I need to travel and meet in person? Of course, meeting in person is different.
Yeah.
But still I question that, right? So coming back to your story. So you like travel. You got an opportunity to travel and that too on a merit. And then you realize that probably, you have a knack of, you like talking to people.
Yeah.
You like interacting to people. And again, very refreshing that you acknowledge that likingness, which now is your passion, which is now creating impact and eventually creating money, and more than money, the overall, that Maslow hierarchy.
Yes.
Towards
self-actualization.
Yes. I don't think now you're working only for money.
Correct. Now I help others in their career. I'll give you a walkthrough of how I helped myself coming out to this decision of why career coaching. So I read massive amount of books from different career coaches around the globe. USA, there was Ashley, UK. I did a lot of research on that firstly. Then what my process was, what I learned was I played a game with myself, and this is the game I play with clients as well. Ki, red flag.
So you're getting to know what generally you get to know when you pay. Go ahead.
Exactly. But that's a more premium service. Abhi main aapko bas.
It's a taster.
This is a taster. Perfect.
Yeah, go ahead.
So green flag and red flag. I asked myself, let's go crazy. Social stigma सब side में रखते हैं. What do I like to do? And ये बहुत simple question लगता है सौरभ, but you ask someone this question, what do you like to do and what do you want to do in life, लोग fumble करते हैं.
Yeah.
इतना simple question, क्योंकि this is one of the most important question to reflect about who you are and where you want to go in your life. तो मैंने buckets बनाए. Green flag में as absurd as I like traveling, I like speaking with people, I like this, I like that. And बहुत absurd भी sound कर रहा था ये, but फिर भी I started writing it. What do I don't like? I don't like, as in your language, not attention. मतलब क्या था कि if I'm doing something impactful, I want credits for it. And as an engineer, I was at the back end. I was creating an electricity scheduling system for Dresden. It's a city in Germany. I created it. People don't know I created it, and I was not comfortable with that. So I really reflected on all my experiences throughout the life and how I started shortlisting my potential career was, इस career में अगर ये चीज़ें आ रही है तो इनसे दूर रहना है, और ये चीज़ें आ रही है तो इनसे पास रहना है. Education was something I was always passionate about. IIT Roorkee में भी I used to head an NGO called CRY, Child Rights and You. वहाँ से एक रिफ्लेक्शन आया कि मुझे पढ़ाना बहुत पसंद है. तो ऐसे सारे लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस को लिख के आई मेड अ लिस्ट ऑफ 10 पोटेंशियल करियर्स जिसमें मुझे मज़ा आ सकता है. एंड दैट कुड बी एज एब्सर्ड सौरभ. मैंने उसमें बेली डांसिंग भी लिखा था, कैन यू इमेजिन, क्योंकि आई लव डांसिंग, आई लव ट्रैवलिंग अराउंड. एंड देन I had 1 year gap after my IIT degree to choosing Coventry. उस 1 year में I tried and tested and actually met people from all these industries. Interviews किए, क्या pro है, क्या con है. So I just didn't made a decision, but of course didn't get influenced कि अगर वो successful नहीं हुए as a career coach, that in no way means I would be unsuccessful. So shortlist करते career coaching.
Very interesting. So guys, we have a playbook of trying to understand what you want to do and what you like, and basis that take an informed decision. And that's where career coaching is so important. That's where the trained professional career coaches are important. They are great career coaches who are helping with admission, but they're also, the ecosystem like that. And I have a superpower to say it because I'm not doing admission, and I don't intend to get admission. In fact, the model which we have built for university living is same, that we need to be managed marketplace, wherein if you have a budget of 300 pounds, these are options. If you have a budget of 150 pounds, these are options. You choose.
Correct.
I can't tell you what is right and wrong because we are here as a facilitator. We can give you information, we can facilitate, but we are not no one to push up your thought that this is the right decision.
Correct.
So, but unfortunately, many organizations, they start with career counseling, get into admission, and eventually get into recruitment.
Correct.
Because that's where the money is,
Correct.
right? Will you get into recruitment?
No, because I'll tell you what I learned out of career coaching. India में okay, so the framework that I follow for career coaching is 3 pillar: why, what, how. Currently जो हम इंडस्ट्री में है, सब लोग how को डील कर रहे हैं और what को डील कर रहे हैं. What university, what course. अच्छा, कोर्स कर लिया. How हमारी टीम एडमिशन, हमारी टीम आपको SOP कर देगी, हमारी टीम आपको यूनिवर्सिटी बता देगी, हमारी टीम अकोमोडेशन में हेल्प कर देगी. सो दिस इज द हाउ पार्ट ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम. वेयर द स्कैरसिटी इज द व्हाई एंड द व्हाट्स. व्हाई अब्रॉड जाना है. इतने सारे लोगों को एक साल अब्रॉड में हो जाता है and they don't really know the motivation. Why did I choose to go abroad? Is it because your 10 friends went? Is it because on Instagram you saw बढ़िया lifestyle है and then वहाँ पे आप not to belittle anyone's job but आप आप dishes wash कर रहे हैं. So the why element is very important, and I think 98% of the acclaimed career companies are not addressing why, and that's why you would find one of my channels on YouTube, Finding Why with Mayuri, where we sat with people, mad people like me, कि आपको लगेगा कि ये छोड़ के ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, and because they had a strong why. And then what आता and then how आता. I think solving how part is the easiest of the puzzle.
Or I would say not easier, but at least that has been solved.
There are enough people who are operating there.
Yeah, enough, and they're doing well, right?
Yeah.
Or probably, not
But
so
as you said, how में money है.
well.
तो इसीलिए हम भी how में आ रहे हैं कि how to get a job in the UK. But at the same time, we uprightly have said no to clients who said कि नहीं नहीं हम मुझे बस job चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए, UK क्यों move होना है. If we didn't gauge that aspiration, motivation, I know me and my team have said sorry, we are not the right ones for you.
But do you think, yeah, I was coming to exactly this thing. Do you think, I mean, because it's a passion project, now it's getting well, but the moment you get to scale, are you looking to raise funds?
Right now, no, because bootstrap है अभी तक, and what plans I have, I don't really need to, but then we are in talks.
आप बोल रहे हो, आप believe नहीं कर रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो. So you are looking to raise funds. Yeah. Right?
Not really right
But
now.
you're in talks with the people?
No, in talk with my co-founder. हम ये इसको visit करते हैं every 6 months. हमने ये एक planner में डाला है.
So let's say you raise funds, you know, and I believe, I mean, any organization which aim to grow, and everyone should aim to grow, right? Capital is important, right?
Correct.
But the moment you get capital, you know, lots of why and good things you're talking, you know, you will force to do
Let
things
go.
which probably you don't believe.
Okay.
You know, I mean, I'm sharing from my journey. We've been fortunate by design, you know, that we have not raised lots of funds. Being in Bootstrap, we're profitable. But if you ask me that, am I looking to raise funds? Yes. You know, are we raising funds? Always. You know, we don't believe in announcing it because I believe IPO and profit should be announced, not, you know, from here you take a debt and, you know, capital.
Yeah.
Right? But so far, because we have not raised funds, it gave us a superpower of doing things which we believe is right, in a pace which we believe is right.
And that's
right?
a very good insight, because honestly, I feel I am not there yet and not knowledgeable yet to make a decision of whether we need to raise funds or not as of this moment. Every day is a new day with entrepreneurship. We revisit this so that मेरे और मेरे co-founder को ये है कि let's not get blindsided कि bootstrap अच्छा चल रहा है तो हम यही करेंगे. Let's not be adamant.
You open.
Be open. In fact, Shark Tank का आया था तो we were till the final round because we thought let's explore.
Yeah.
Why to be.
Do you think being a female entrepreneur give an edge?
Give an edge.
Yeah.
मुझे दोनों वे में नहीं है. I'm not a feminist, तो मुझे
But edge मिलता है. खासकर when you are startup, people say that it's a men's word. I believe it's a woman word. Female founders get more attention for all the right reasons, right? Especially when it's a Shark Tanks, when it's like a media or, you know, or probably TED Talks and all. Do you feel so?
I have not faced it yet. And either side of the spectrum. मुझे आज तक मैं रूम में गई हूँ और क्योंकि तुम लड़की हो तो हम तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा भी कभी नहीं हुआ है. And I'm quite grateful about that. Yes, ऐसा हुआ कि you're very young. You're 2 years into the industry, 3 years into the industry.
फायदा होता है ना? If you are young, if you are
young का फायदा
if you are courageous and you are female entrepreneur, मुझे लगता है ये तो advantage है. Unfortunately, media and बहुत सारे female founders take advantage of this. That हमें लोग investors invest नहीं करते because we are a female founder. You know, we don't get enough support. You know, in fact, if you see some facts, most of the government policies in startups or even otherwise globally, you have more women empowering schemes than a men empowering scheme. I mean, I'm not saying that, you know,
I have no experience, so I feel I'm incapable of make a judgment. I'm not agreeing with you, but I'm also not conflicting with you because I feel there's a reason why ये हुआ है. Because traditionally, and I feel certain aspect of sections of men had gotten more opportunity because of whatever reasons in the past. And to almost cover up, अब government आ रही है कि हमें और female empowerment. And I think we are still too privileged or sitting in Delhi to discuss this topic. I feel
totally agree.
कोई थर्ड टियर में है और थर्ड टियर में जैसे किसी फीमेल को ट्रीट हो रहा है वो कुछ आके बोले तो आई विल बाय इट. आई फील आई एम टू प्रिविलेज. आई हैव गॉट रियली गुड पीपल अराउंड यू आर एजुकेटेड, एक्सपोज्ड, वेल एक्सपोज्ड, एंड आई एम नो वन टू क्लेम कि मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है या मुझे ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. लेट्स गो डाउन टू द सरफेस लेवल जहाँ पे एक्चुअली लोगों ने फेस किया है.
Nicely done. Nicely, I totally agree. But coming back to the question of finding why and also raising funds, and then like when you're looking to scale, you know, do you think you will continue to commit to why, you know, get sponsored, got inducted in the first place?
I wouldn't fool myself saying that मैं तो हमेशा ही why मैं करूँगी. Of course, I am an entrepreneur. I want to scale, and as of today, I'm extremely high on morality and ethics. let's see how the future unfolds. I believe that I'll be on that path, but I can't say for my future. Abhi tak, so far so
Nice.
good. In fact, I would like to ask you a question
Go
if
ahead.
you don't mind. Reflecting back on your 15 years of journey, 3 things that you did,
You are an influencer. You know, the moment 3 things and 5 things comes.
because
Okay.
I'm very quantifiable. मुझे ऐसे when I'm asking for an
Nice.
insight that I want to learn, I don't want to hear a paragraph. I want to hear 1, 2, 3, so that
So
it's
this is
easy.
what I'm not good at, but I'll try. Go ahead.
3 things that really worked out for university living to scale at the pace that you have done. Because essentially, I want to learn that and do the same for my company.
So firstly, I don't think that, you know, whatever we have achieved, you know, we've been very fast about it. You know, it took me 15 years, but I have my own journey. So the first 3 years, I was a banker, and then I was building this up from like evening 7 to morning 4 a.m. You know, the first 3 years, you know, when you're creating a category, which you will agree, you know, when you're creating a category, there's lots of education, there's lots of, you are not only convincing others, you're also convincing yourself,
Correct.
right? And then you are solving something which was not been solved, so there's no playbook, right? And then even they are less supporter, you know, because again, you know, firstly आप खुद convince नहीं हो, दूसरा आप भी problem देख रहे हो कितनी बड़ी है भी नहीं है, you know, it's a lifestyle आपने mind में बनाया हुआ है, right? So with that package or background, the first 3 years was mostly building Unilogis, and you know, and it was like Unilogis 0 to 10 was very fast. Like within 3 years, we raised funds from like A category fund,
Investors.
Lightspeed, this and that. Kicked out, started again. So my first, if you see, I'm on the 9th year I completed. You know, because we started University Living in 2020, 15, 16.
Okay.
So though I'm part of the industry for 15 years, but University Living is 9 years young.
Got it.
You know, and we just entered into 10th year.
10th year.
So last 10 year, if you see 3 things, I believe having a strong co-founder, I can't do without it. I can't do alone.
Love
I have
that.
no you know, pretension that I will do alone. You know, I need someone to talk about. I need someone to share my weaknesses, vulnerabilities, and whatever. I need validations, right? So having a great co-founder.
Okay.
Then the fact is just to showing up every day,
Consistency.
you know, and probably you know, just be at it. You know, on every day on 10 things you will get rejected on 9, but can you celebrate 1? You know, can you be grateful for like, अच्छा ये हो गया, अच्छा कुछ तो हो रहा है, अच्छा 10 लोगों ने मानेगा, एक को तो अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब सही तो कर रहे हैं.
Some delta T positive.
Some validations, some additions, you know, if you be at it, stick at it, be consistent, you know, and then I would say yeah, these are the few things which work for us or working for us. Then I guess, you know, there are lots of blessings, support, luck, I would leave it to, wherein you know, because we were the early ones, because we were the courageous ones, you know, because we stick to our morals, you know, by choice and by design, you know, because we realize that if you are educators, and if you whatever you do, just tell it right there upfront. So I never claim that, you know, if you book through us, everything be hunky dory.
Yeah.
Wherever you stay, be happy, right? But we acknowledge that anything, if any of the student who book through us, accommodation, anything, if there's any problem, we might not have a solution right there, but we will not shy away. We will not vanish.
Got it.
Today also, if I get a message or a call or LinkedIn, anything, 99.99% I act within that day,
Love it.
right? Or if I'm traveling, whatever, I'll at least allocate someone. So I guess if you keep your students or your client close by, you're on the ground, you know, and you're not shying away to get your hands dirty, mostly you will do well. 3 things. I hope I answered.
You did.
Any other tips you want to give me as an influencer? I'm not an influencer, I'm a content creator and I'm an entrepreneur.
So firstly, I don't like to be tagged as influencer. I mean, I take full pride
Why so?
in my
Everyone
head.
wants to be influencer and you are saying you are an influencer. Are you an influencer?
I'm a career coach
Okay.
and an entrepreneur.
But what is influencer? Like, okay, someone who you want to career coach, right?
Yeah.
Let's say there's someone who believe मेरी liking सब करके मुझे influencer बनना है. So what is the playbook to become an influencer?
that the first line shouldn't start from I want to become an influencer. The moment you do that, you're on the wrong path.
Okay.
I feel.
But then most of people are like, want to be influencer because there's money, there's power, right? And there's attention, right? So if you again go back to Maslow hierarchy,
Correct.
पैसा मिल रहा है, attention मिल रही है, power मिल रहा है, authority मिल रही है, access मिल रहा है, तो why not?
It is wrong way to go about it. The motivations are right, but everything comes after you create something meaningful enough. आप बनाते रहोगे कंटेंट, बट अगर किसी को वैल्यू या किसी के लिए कुछ सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा है वो, ना आपको पैसे मिलेंगे, ना फेम मिलेगा, ना पॉपुलैरिटी मिलेगी. सो द इंटेंट ऑफ कमिंग इनटू दिस स्पेस शुड बी आई वांट टू एजुकेट वर्ल्ड अबाउट एक्स. And that in turn will give me personal brand, that in turn will give me business. I don't know a single super successful in your language influencer.
No, it's not my language. I mean, it's a career.
As you asked.
In fact, the friend which introduced us, she mentioned, she told me that, she's an influencer. I mean, I'm not putting anything on you.
And I hope that I'm making it clear through this podcast that as much as I take pride in what I do, I like to be branded as career coach first, content creator. I create content. Influencer, and it could be my personal bias. Influencing से लगता है कि आप negatively किसी को influence कर रहे हो आपको मानने के लिए. But I am educating you and you are looking at the value that I'm creating in your life.
Influence is not a wrong word, no?
No, it's not.
I understand last 6-8 महीने लोग क्वेश्चन करने लगे हैं. It's like पहले लोग जर्नलिस्ट की बड़ी पूजा करते थे, and then they were like all kind of journalism, and people like no, we are not journalists, we are alternative media. I don't like this word. I don't like two words: agents and employees.
But then with the space that we are sitting in, agents और वो दोनों.
Yeah. So I call education partners.
Yeah.
And there are lots of people who were starting telling me you are an agent. In a gross language, yes, I'm a broker. I mean, that's a fact.
Yeah.
हिंदी में और भी गंदा मतलब होता है इसका, राइट? बट आई एम अ ब्रोकर. बट द वे वी आर डूइंग इट, वी आर बिल्ड अप अ content, we are built up in a way which is we are a new age tech platform. But anyone who's going to be broker, I would not like it. But I'm like, it's okay, because probably at least they're getting what we get to know.
Correct.
First. Second, again, education agents, I guess, even another word which I don't like is बच्चा. यार ये बच्चे ने, इन्होंने 500 बच्चे कर दिए, इन्होंने 1000 बच्चे. अरे बच्चा नहीं है, वो सोल है. That's a call student. You are educator. And I'm not judging anyone because कहीं ना कहीं मैं भी बोलने लगा हूँ, क्योंकि पूरी इंडस्ट्री ये बोलती है यार इस इंडस्ट्री ने 500 बच्चे कर दिए, मेरे बच्चे यहाँ जा रहे हैं मेरे. And these are all good educators. These are like top notch. They might be charging 500,000 rupees for my student. They also call बच्चा. So I'm like, okay, probably jargons, right? So similarly,
so where is that coming for you? Is it not sitting well with your value system?
Probably.
Same answer.
But influencer आज से 8 साल पहले तो अच्छा माना जाता था ना. पिछले 8 साल में बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंसर को क्वेश्चन हुआ कि इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, पैसे ले लेते हैं, फिर प्रमोट करते हैं. तो probably because of that you are not liking your value ethics.
If you would have met me 1 year back, I would have said the same. Unfortunately, we didn't meet back then.
We'll then talk, whether you would like to be influencer or career coach.
Yeah.
So tell me what all you do, because seems you've been hustling, you've been doing lots of things, right? Firstly, why, and then coming back to your how.
Right. So now I told you my 2 major motivators in life: A, creating impact and educating; B, creating wealth for myself. Now I have
only for yourself, not for your team.
I had already quoted.
Okay. Sorry I put you on the spot.
मैं अकेले नहीं करती हूँ, मेरी टीम है, इसीलिए मैं ऐसे पॉडकास्ट आ पा रही हूँ. वर्किंग डे है, 2 बज रहे हैं, मेरी टीम काम कर रही है, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ आ पा रही हूँ. So needless to say that. But right now you asked about Mayuri, so I'm talking about myself. So one is I have
guys, I like her, and I really have a lot of respect. I have lots of respect for entrepreneurs.
Thank you.
Because in fact I tell everyone, if I get a god and an entrepreneur, I will sit with entrepreneur. Because the life of entrepreneur, or for any matter, even head of your family, the team leader or a manager, because जितना ऊपर जाता है वो lonely होता रहता है. उतना ज़्यादा you are accountable, you are getting sandwiched between teams and your leaders. Yeah. For entrepreneur, you are getting sandwiched between students, the stakeholders, investors, your teams, right? On that note, any last thing or last bit you want to talk about get sponsored.
Yeah.
We want to talk about how you are different from your other peer groups. Yeah. Do you have competitors?
we're exploring that. In fact, the last time we spoke, you told me about a company, right? We researched. So in terms of reach and what value we have created in India, I don't know a startup yet, but like there's a monthly task to my team. देखो और कौन कर रहा है. It'll be very arrogant of us to say हम ही कर रहे हैं market में. Let's see who all are doing. There are a couple of companies in the UK. I know a couple of folks in the UK. But I think you asked how are we doing it different. I feel one of the most common, like the USP I say is our Desi Videsi co-founder pair. My co-founder is Brit. I am Desi, Indian. हमारे target audience है Desi. Of course, we are attracting others as well.
Nice.
We have catered to 29 plus nationalities. But you know, वो business जो आता है वो 99% देसियों से आता है.
So your demand is Indian, your supply is British.
No,
In a way.
so sweet spot क्या है कि हमारे coaching program में I am my POV point of view is how to excel as an international.
Yeah.
Her expertise is she is telling a POV of a UK employer.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
what?
yeah.
I'm a recruiter. I'm employer. This is not gonna work. This is gonna work.
That's what. So employer is a supplier.
Correct.
You know. Yeah. Go ahead. Please go ahead.
That's one. Second is a very important value for me in my life and my team is fun. मतलब करियर कोच जैसे अगर आप इमेजिन करते हो लगता है कि कोई बुढ़े से होंगे ज्ञान दे रहे हैं
चश्मा भी नहीं पहना हुआ.
पका रहे होंगे एंड आई वांट टू गेट अहेड ऑफ दैट स्टिग्मा. तो फन कैसे कर सकते हैं गेमिफिकेशन से एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय को-फाउंडर टीम इज ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड. तो रादर देन सेइंग कि हम आपको कोर्स करा रहे हैं, we package our courses in the form of challenges, 14-day challenges. It is a gamified version. Every day you get a quest. You get a quest to overcome. So this gamified approach of 14-day challenges to get ahead in the UK job market is really working out in our favor. And number 3 is, I think, having a personal brand. As an entrepreneur of a company, लोग brand से ज़्यादा एक person में believe करते हैं. And that has been working out for us.
So out of the 9,000 people who have taken your paid assistance, how many got job?
Still tracking. अगर आप ये universities को भी पूछेंगे तो उनके
No,
पास
you give me answer. Leave apart from.
नहीं. So that's what I'm being very real. I don't have the answer. क्योंकि 9,000 एक साल में आप समझ सकते हो कि काफ़ी अच्छा exponential growth and I'm still building team. My team is of 6 अभी, excluding me and my co-founder. And अभी तक हम first 4 months के contact में जा चुके कि आपको मिला है नहीं मिला है. Numbers are looking very promising, but I'm not going to sit here over inflating that number कि 90% को
So
मिला, 80%
you
को
are
मिला.
exploring. You are building it up.
We are building the outcomes.
No, fair bit. You know, again, refreshing to see that you're not putting any number out of the thin air, which is again shows that you're very real, and people who are taking services or assistance from you, probably they see value. That's why they're coming in. See, I know there is student circus, there is Leap Beyond.
Correct.
You know, get sponsored. You know, interesting to see all the founders are female founders, and of course they have their co-founders. Interesting to see all 3 have studied from UK, right? You mentioned you are different. You know, again, I need to learn more about you guys, but end of the day, it's all about outcome.
Correct.
Right? I mean, I'm a accommodation specialist, right? We are creating an ecosystem wherein we believe we should talk about mental health. We should talk about employability, right? Because end of the day, if students are not successful, in fact, when we started the podcast, it was with a thought that let's bring successful international students, alumni. Okay. Because there are lots of media talking about why you should go abroad. What is ROI? You know, valid questions.
Correct.
Right? But then, I mean, you guys, to an extent, I am, or lots of my co-founders and lots of my lots of my cohorts, even all the people who have been on the show, you know, for me, that's a big success. Either they were international students and they're doing so well, or they were into a space where they send students with the right for the right reasons, and they are being sustainable and growing 30-40 years and like really have empires, right? So even for that matter, you also are same. I just relate. You study from Coventry, worked there, came back, and now building it in the same industry. So also a success story, you know, of this ecosystem. And to all the people who went question that whether they want to study in India or they want to study abroad, I will ask you guys to do this exercise, what you like and what you want to do, right? And going abroad is not like a sure shot way to be successful. There will be no red carpets. Talk to your parents, talk to alumni, do your research, and then go to education counselors because they're the expert of helping you getting admission. You need to decide, but we all as a facilitator are here to help. This is what we do for accommodation, and this is what we are doing for other ecosystem, what we are building it up, whether it's remittance, whether it's education loan, whether it's counseling, as an ecosystem, they are great players, and we all need to come together.
Correct.
On that note, I would request you to have a finishing note, and then we probably wrap it up.
I think I'll just add one more thing to what amazing insights you gave was an element of cost parity. What do I mean by that is काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि अरे मैं तुम इंडिया में 10 लाख फॉर एग्जांपल कमा रहा हूँ, मेरा फ्रेंड वहाँ पे 40 lakhs कमा रहा है, so his life is better, her life is better. Let's understand something about
Very good
cost
point.
parity.
Very good point.
So what does that mean is it's the salary, the paycheck is relative to the country you are sitting in and city you are sitting in. So there's a beautiful resource that I had found where it converts, अगर आप इस city में, इस country में हो और इतनी salary है, इसका equivalent क्या है. तो मैं आपको एक example देती हूँ. अगर आप लंदन में हैं और अगर आप मुंबई में है और मंथली सैलरी 1 लाख है, so that equates to 3.7 lakh in London monthly. Basically, अगर आप 3.7 लाख कमा रहे हैं लंदन में, आपका लाइफस्टाइल सेम है 1 लाख इन मुंबई. और ये लोग काफ़ी लोग समझते नहीं है because living in UK for example, we are speaking about UK, this taxation is different. रेंट्स आपके इंडिया में 2 लाख 1 लाख का नहीं होता है, वहाँ पे यूके में वो होता है. एंड देन देयर इज एक्सपेंसेस, देयर इज अ लाइफस्टाइल कॉस्ट. So essentially, if you are planning to study abroad for the reason that I will get 40 lakh out of it, understand that 40 lakh of India is different than 40 lakh of UK or any other country, and only then make a decision A, and second only then negotiate with the employers properly. If they are giving 30 lakhs, it's not good enough in London. उससे अच्छा तो आपकी lifestyle इंडिया में रहेगी क्योंकि expenses कम है. So that's my final insight.
Very, 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 very valid point, right? You talk about living in Coventry, right? What was your accommodation search experience?
I think
How did you find your accommodation?
Google.
And how easy and tough it was?
It was quite easy for me, honestly. It was a brand new accommodation. I think मेरा batch सबसे पहले था, तो it was very well finished.
Which was this?
Prime Student Living,
we
Trinity.
work with them. Yeah, we work with them.
So this was in 2019. I think that was the first year of starting of क्योंकि brand new rooms थे, and I had paid around 140 pounds per week.
Yeah. And any of your student, any of our audience, you want to talk about accommodation? I mean, I won't say again. We don't want to create panic. We always say no one is stay on the road. So not that even if you book directly, not that like you can't, but as per the stats, there are only 1 out of 6 students who get accommodation from university. 85% students are on their own. My journey is I didn't get housing. I was stupid. I didn't ask. I just landed. So in fact, two things which I keep saying is start early and look beyond university halls.
Correct.
Right? And take informed decisions.
Correct.
Right? But I mean, luckily Coventry is a bit more oversupplied city compared to Bristol and London or even Brisbane.
Okay.
Right? And you've been interacting with lots of students.
Yeah.
Right? And be real. You can talk no sort of what you're solving. This is not problem only. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know why you're creating panic by saying that there's no housing and there's a housing crisis, and governments are changing policies, because of so many international students coming in, which impacting their local citizens with their housing and cost of living. I mean, these are what we've been reading and we've been talking. But if you have any other view, please voice.
I think what I've heard in my experience as a recruitment, as a university rep is, yes, there are certain influxes, like certain cities and certain universities which attract a lot of internationals. So I know I didn't face this in Coventry. Things can look different now. I'm speaking about like 7 years back. But now I have asked, like people have asked me saying that, okay, what do you recommend for university? Where do we live? And honestly, when I was looking I felt university halls were quite expensive. And that's the reason I didn't pick one. And this was quite like not cheap, but quite affordable.
Yeah.
So in Coventry, I saw there's a difference between university hall ka costing versus the private ones. And some of the folks in my community have said, do you recommend any, because at the end of the day, when they trust,
Right.
they,
Yeah.
So yeah, but to what extent this is a problem, I'm not sure. London mein bahut suna hai because of the cost. It's just London being London. But I think if, as what UL is doing, if you're able to give and assist someone home away from home, I think that's the base level of Maslow. अगर घर ही अच्छा नहीं होगा, तो how will you make a significant career out of
Right,
your decision?
right.
In fact, I'll share one example. जब मैं थी वहाँ COVID हो गया था, and because I was sharing, because I wanted to keep under affordable limit,
Yeah.
so I was sharing my house with a nationality with a girl who was not clean per se, and अब COVID hit हुआ तो home is work is everything, and it's just the same space.
Yeah.
Because I was so uncomfortable, I had to up my budget, and then I went for a studio room. And that's when I understood home away from home, you have to feel peaceful, especially with the COVID around. Now it's better. But then what you're trying to solve, I feel that it's the baseline of Maslow. Career के बारे में बच्चा तभी सोचेगा जब वो घर जाके peaceful feel कर रहा है.
No, absolutely. Thanks for voicing it, and I hope you're not saying it because I've been trying to do good talks to you. I tried not to be good and be real, but you played well. You answered really nicely, and I wish you luck. I
Thank
wish
you.
you lots of success
Thanks so much.
and good health. So find your superpower. We have career coaches. We have accommodation partners, experts, right? They are everything available out there, but you need to do your research. You need to seek it out. You need to question it out. Until then, continue to support us. And on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you.